Hey! Today, we're going on a division adventure with remainders. And guess what? It's as easy as ABC. Let's start with an example. 95 divided by 2. First, let's draw a division house. Imagine a little house where numbers live. The first number, 95, moves inside like a guest at a party. The second number, 2, stays outside like a guard at the door. And the answer? It'll sit on the roof like a happy little bird. Now it's time to divide. Let's divide each part of 95 by 2. Start with 9. We ask, how many times does 2 fit into 9? 4 times. Because 2 times 4 equals 8. Write 4 on the roof, above the 9. Since 8 isn't exactly 9, there's 1 left over. We put this one next to the next number. 5, making 15. Now with 15, we ask, how many times does 2 fit into 15? 7 times. Because 2 times 7 equals 14. Write 7 on the roof, above the 5. 15 minus 14 equals 1. Oh, there's 1 left over again. Since there are no more numbers left, we write our 1, which means 1 is left over. So, 95 divided by 2 equals 47, remainder 1. Now, let's solve 652 divided by 3. Let's build our division house again. First, look at the 6. How many times does 3 fit into 6? 2. Write 2 on top. Now, look at the 5. How many times does 3 fit into 5? 1. 5 minus 3 equals 2. Write the 2 in front of the next number. Now we have 22. How many times does 3 fit into 22? 7 times. 7 times 3 equals 21. 22 minus 21 equals 1. 1 is left over. Since there are no more numbers, we write our 1 here. So, 652 divided by 3 equals 217, remainder 1. Now, it's game time. We'll both solve these and compare answers. Let's go! 74 divided by 5. Take a deep breath. 1, 2, 3. Go! Done? I got 14, remainder 4. Did you get the same? High five! Next one. 563 divided by 2. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Go! What did you get? 281, remainder 1? If we match, shout bingo. Last one. 4,567 divided by 3. 1, 2, 3. Go! All done? 1,522, remainder 1? If we got the same answer, do a happy dance. See you next time.